Hello everyone, welcome back. You are watching Deva Technologies YouTube channel by Nisha Sharma. In today's video, we are going to learn very interesting topic, that is keys of computer keyboard. We will discuss all keys step by step. Now let's start. First we have escape key. Now you can see here at the left side of the keyboard, the use of escape key is we can cancel command or series of commands with the help of this key. Now next we have tab key. With the help of tab key, we can move cursor to next tab and stop. After that we have a caps lock. With the help of caps lock, we can turn capital letters on and off. Then we have a backspace. With the help of backspace, we can move cursor back and erases character one space at a time. Now next we have a numeric keypad. This numeric keypad allows for faster typing of numbers with the use of one hand. You can enter numeric data from this numeric keypad. Now next we have shift key. With the help of shift keys, we can use combinations with other keys to type capital letters or the upper symbol on number keys. We can use other keys with those shift. Now after that we have control and alt keys. These keys are used in combination with other keys to perform specific tasks. Like if we want to save the document, we will press Ctrl plus S for save. If we want to move in our next tab, then we can press Alt plus Tab. Now next we have home rows. Keys where fingers rest when typing. These are the home rows. While we learn typing on the keyboard, we will rest our fingers over these keys. Now next, we have space bar. Here is a space bar. Moves cursor forward one space at a time, leaving a blank space. Now next we have a enter or return. Here is a enter. Enters information or moves cursor to next line for typing. Now at the end we have directional keys. These keys are also known as arrow keys. Here you can see here moves cursor left, right, up or down without erasing text. Now these are the basics of keyboards. Thank you for watching my videos. For more, like, share and subscribe my channel.